back to the studio. We are happy to say we are reopening on the 10th of August. With all COVID regulations in place, let's take our shoes off by the door, please, as usual. Keep your socks on, head over to reception for hand sanitizer, and then up the stairs with one person on the stairs at all times. As you enter the studio, the back door will be open for ventilation. Keep your socks on until you meet your mat, and if you can bring your own mats, that would be very helpful, please. We keep 2 meters apart at all times. Hand washing facilities in the kitchen and the bathroom with hand sanitizer. The studio is nice and airy with lots of room, and we look forward to welcoming you back to enjoy yoga together again. If you have any questions, please let me know.